Hey guys, Scooter Nick here. I've been trying for 4 tries to get a good video. But today's project, and I don't know if you can see this, but today's project is going to be this get a better shot here. This is the engine right here is on a 98 STX John Deere. It's a STX 38. This used to be my tractor, but I sold it to a gentleman, an older gentleman, and he somehow, I don't know how, actually I traded this tractor for one that I've done videos on before. But somehow the head cracked on it, and I gotta pull it apart and check it. So that's what we're gonna do today, as soon as I can figure out a good spot to put you guys so you can see what I'm doing. So bear with me. And I don't know if you might be able to see him behind me. Alright. Get my fat head out of the way here. Right there on top of that. Right there on top of this, above the propane tank, is some steel. Actually, it's bed rail. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. And we're going to build a trailer out of that, using that axle and tires right there. As you can see, I have the doors closed. I'm going to fire up the heat a little bit and let this place warm up. Hopefully melt off some of the snow on the ceiling, because I have a leak. And I want it to dry out the roof so that it stops leaking. But let me set you guys up so you can get a good shot. And we'll go from there. Hang on a minute, guys. Whoops. Might want to pick my glasses up before they get busted. There. They're a little dirty, so I gotta wipe those off too. So hold on, I'll set you guys up so you can actually see what I am gonna be doing today. Oops. Sorry, guys. I'll put you guys. Let's see if I can set you up so that you see some of what I'm doing. You're gonna be able to see that, but well, there's a little bit of engine shot here, but I can't go back any further on the tractor, otherwise I would. But I'll get you a good shot if I can. So hold on here, let me get the heat fired up so the leak stops, and we'll get going here. moved you over just a little bit so you could actually see that we're going to be working on this today. Like I said, this is a Kohler Pro 12.5 horse. No, this Kohler Commander 12.5. It's a good motor. I've run the hell out of it for 2 years. I've pretty much used this tractor up. I mean, I kept it up. I kept oil changed in it, which I don't think there's any in this thing. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's oil on that. So I don't have to put oil in it. But we're gonna get this torn apart and get the head changed on it today. And I do have the parts up in my storage shelf. Up on my storage shelf, I should say. So we're gonna get that done. But first, I'm gonna start up the heat so it's warming up in here. So hang on just a few minutes here. I've got a leak over here. Oops, I gotta fix it, yes. Once I get that figured out. Turned off some stove in the back. And along, we'll heat this place up a little bit. Okay. So now I'm gonna figure it out. And this guy is an older guy. So and he seems to break stuff and then bring it back to me and fix. But he doesn't. He's a customer, so. But we're gonna get this thing pulled off of here. And go to it. No bolt, man. Just right there. Okay. I've had this motor apart, but it's been a while. So I'm trying to figure out where all the bolts are. But I might have to do this video in 2 videos, I'm not sure. So I'll do as much as I can in this video, but this might be a 2 video project.